Hi guys, thank you so much for coming on this channel and viewing my video. I am Sneha from Enchanting Tarot, and today I'm going to talk more about spirit guides. So first of all, I want to thank all of you who expressed their interest and liked my part 1 of spirit guides. If you've not watched that video where I just introduced spirit guides as a concept and I made you aware about their existence in the spiritual world, okay, so I'm putting the link below. Please check it out. Alright, so let's begin more about how we can build a better connect with spirit guides. So like I was discussing in my first video, that spirit guides are nothing but the energies or entities who once were on this planet, okay, either in the form of animals or birds or in that category, or as human beings. Okay, so they have gone through this planet, they've gone through the journey of birth and death, and now because of their higher energies, they exist just above us on the higher dimension, just above us. Okay, so so it is very easy for you to build a connect. Okay, they are already existing in and around you. Okay, they are in your house before you all anyway entered into the house. Okay, so they are always present whether you would want it, whether you don't want it. So it is always better to have a healthy connect with them. There is nothing to fear. Okay, so if we fear that, oh my god, they are there to harm you, no, they will never ever do anything to harm you. Okay, because like you have chosen to get to know them, they have already chosen you. So their connect with you is goes far beyond than what you connect with them. Okay, you are right now, after so many years of being on this planet, making an effort to know them, but they know you the moment you entered in this planet, okay, from your mother's womb. So they know you better than you know them, so they will never ever harm you. Okay, they are not here to scare you also. So अगर आपको डर लगता है तो वो आपको नहीं डराएंगे, तो वो आपके सामने भी नहीं आएंगे. Okay, so please, there is nothing to fear. Okay, हाँ, हमको ये डर रहता है कि वो लोअर एनर्जीज तो नहीं है या लोअर एंटिटीज तो नहीं है. डेफिनेटली अगर आपकी एनर्जी अच्छी है, अगर आप खुद हाई वाइब्रेशंस के पे रोटेट कर रहे हैं, तो यू विल नेवर एवर फियर देम. ओके, तो आप कभी भी आपके पास नहीं आएंगे वो. एंड दैट इज द रीजन that you need to vibrate higher, so that you build connect with those realms and those which are already at a higher vibrating frequencies. अगर आप खुद डिप्रेस्ड हैं, आप खुद डरे हुए हैं, आप खुद गुस्से में हैं, तो आप डेफिनेटली लोअर एनर्जीज को अट्रैक्ट करोगे. ओके, एंड दैट्स वाई वी चांट हनुमान कवच और हनुमान चालीसा और दुर्गा कवच और दुर्गा चालीसा, so that your vibrations improve by chanting those mantras. Okay, so this is always the case. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपके घर में लोअर वाइब्रेशंस है, लोअर एनर्जीज है, लोअर एंटिटीज हैं, तो डेफिनेटली बिकॉज आप लोअर वाइब्रेशन पे वाइब्रेट कर रहे हो. अगर आप अच्छे वाइब्रेशंस पे वाइब्रेट करोगे तो ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं होगा आपके साथ. ओके, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू वाइब्रेट हायर. ओके, सो अगर फिर भी आपको डाउट लग रहा है कि अगर मैंने स्पिरिट गाइड्स को बुलाया तो, और जिनको नहीं आना चाहिए था वो आ गए, तो क्या होगा, then always use the word divine. So when you call upon divine spirit guides, you will always attract the better spirit guides who are suitable to you. And any which ways, the word guide, so they come to give you guidance, they come to give you love, Okay, so there is no ways that you will attract them, you know, which you're not supposed to attract. Okay, when you call them for the heart, they will come. Another part is calling upon your ancestors. Your ancestors also fall into this category. Okay, so they are also part of your spirit guides. So जब आप ancestors के साथ काम करते हो या उनको बुलाते हो, तो वो जल्दी आएंगे, वो जल्दी काम करेंगे. ओके, लाइक मैंने पहले भी बताया था that there is nothing called as पितृदोष. ओके, वो ancestors जिनका आप खून हो, जिनका आप परिवार का हिस्सा हो, ओके, they will never harm you because in their whole life they worked to give you something. Okay, so they can never harm you. They were never born to harm you. Okay, जिन्होंने जीते जी आपके लिए कुछ ना कुछ रख के जाने का सोचा, वो मर के आपको क्या परेशान करेंगे. Okay, and especially if your grandparents, okay, if you are lucky enough to get love of your grandparents, then you are protected. Okay, when you fear you know, there is something wrong around you or you need more protection, the first person who can run to protect you is your deceased grandparents, if at all you have. Okay, if you are lucky enough to have your grandparents alive, nothing like it. But if you have grandparents in the spiritual world, then call upon them. You will always be protected. If you have children and you would want your children to be protected, ये जिम्मेदारी आप अपने ancestors को दीजिए. ओके, क्योंकि हर ग्रैंड पेरेंट अपने ग्रैंड सन और ग्रैंड चाइल्ड से बहुत प्यार करता है. वो आपसे भी ज़्यादा आपके बच्चों को प्यार करेंगे और करते ही हैं. लाइक दादा दादी जितना बच्चों को प्यार कर सकते हैं उतना माँ बाप नहीं करते हैं, कर सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज दे लव मोर एंड देयर लव इज़ अनकंडीशनल. Okay, so when they go into that spiritual realm, they would love your child more. So always you can assign this job of protection to your ancestors, and when they do come forward to love you, to help you, to remove your obstacles, please thank them. Okay, because in your heart you know it was because of them that you know you just came forward and you got your work done. So always thank them. You might want to, you know, distribute their favorite sweet, or you would want to cook and offer them their favorite meal. That is okay. Okay, but first and foremost, immediately what you can do is thank them. Other thing that you can do is you know, you can always feed birds and put water outside for birds in their name. So when you are putting the water in the bird for birds, then you can always say ki this is in your name. Okay, that I am going to feed it and please accept it. Okay, so you can do that. Another thing about you know, working with spirit guides is you know, the more you call upon them, the more there is a better connect and the more they would want to come and work for you. So, you know, without going into any formalities, just follow this from your heart and they would be there to love you, to protect you, to get your work done, to remove your obstacles and to take care of you most of all. Alright, so I hope this video helped. Take care. Bye-bye.